If you're thinking of trying out CyberGhost VPN, definitely watch my review from beginning to end. I'll cover the most important features as well as my personal opinion, and I'm also including a link in the video description below that you can actually use to get a welcome bonus if you end up deciding that you want to test them out for yourself. Okay, now one of the standout features of CyberGhost VPN is its extensive server network. So it has thousands of servers in different locations all around the world, and you can easily bypass geo restrictions, which is not easy, and access content from different regions. Now, whether you want to stream your favorite shows, browse websites anonymously, or even engage in online gaming, CyberGhost is actually really solid in this area. Their security is really good as well. They utilize military-grade encryption to protect your online activities and ensure that your data remains private. So whether you're connected to a public Wi-Fi network or accessing sensitive information, CyberGhost VPN keeps your data secure and shields you from potential threats. CyberGhost VPN provides a 45-day money-back guarantee, so you can actually try them out risk-free and see if it works for you and your expectations or your needs. And if you don't want to actually continue with them, you can cancel, and you can use that link down below to get that trial, by the way. All right, real fast, let's talk about customer support. So they actually have 24/7 customer support. Their FAQ page is pretty thorough as well, so I definitely give them a good grade on that. Another really cool feature of CyberGhost is their no spy servers. What these means is these are servers that are operated solely by CyberGhost VPN, and they're located in a secure data center in Romania. They offer enhanced security and privacy measures, giving you peace of mind, knowing that your data is in safe hands. Another highlight of CyberGhost that I really want to mention is their commitment to user privacy. Now, they have a very strict no logs policy, meaning they don't store any data about your online activities, none of it. Your browsing history, connection logs, and personal information remains completely anonymous, allowing you to browse the internet with total confidence that your security and anonymity is protected. Wrapping it up, guys, CyberGhost is actually a really solid VPN service that ticks most, if not all, the boxes that anyone who cares about online security is really looking for. And that link down below, again, will allow you to try them out on a trial basis, as well as get a sign-up deal. Take care, guys.